Hello there, this is Hofsen and welcome back to a brand new type of video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a demonstration on both Git and GitHub and how to use them in your code. So enough talk, let's get right into this video. Well, you came to the right question. What is Git? Git is just simply, it allows developers to track and change the code over time. And it can collab effectively and manage different versions of the project. Here are the benefits of using Git and its aspects. So the first benefit is version control. Git can track every change made to a project, including who made the change, when it was made, and what the change was. This detailed history can allow easy rollbacks to previous versions if needed. So other developers can make changes to many more developers in regards to software developer, front end, back end, and it can allow to work the project together simultaneously. So it's very effective for capacity. Most importantly, Git requires collaboration with other developers that has a local repository and which they can work together independently. It allows seamless collaborations even when team members are in different locations. So, for example, mainly on Git and GitHub, all developers can collaborate each other within this industry. So, let's say when you're on the developer role or senior, junior level, each developers can, of course, track their code and share their project and their progress within the system. And also for other developers, they can collaborate with stakeholders for showcasing their projects and if they meet the requirements. Again, it's a win-win situation. Tip as a reminder, many other organizations would require transferable skills, including communication, organization skills, problem solving skills, and time management skills, etc. Of course, able to boost up your confidence in speaking to other developers and able to showcase throughout your project so they can understand. So maybe it can be written or verbal communication. For example, on Teams, on Microsoft, many other operating systems and softwares, tools that other developers can use when you're working in the job industry. The next aspect I'll be showcasing you about is GitHub. So GitHub is a web-based platform that uses the Git version control system to collaborate with other software developers. It's the main central hub for storing, managing, and sharing code, which allows multiple developers to work on the same project simultaneously and track changes effectively. For me, in my own perspective, I use GitHub to upload my project into the repository system by using different commands in Git. So it's effective for me to showcase and collaborate with other stakeholders when I'm showcasing my project that I have, and also I can of course make changes to the mm, file systems whenever if there's a commit file change into the system. So, for example, one of my projects I made is an e-commerce website. I made changes on the commit section where I have to change the database and the migrations to ensure all the systems are updated correctly, and mainly on the templates. So templates on HTML, CSS, and all other backend sources. If you want a part 2 video, hit a thumbs up in this video. I'm going to be showing you on how to download GitBash and learning all these commands to track your code, create the folders, and able to push your code into GitHub. If you're new, please subscribe in this video, turn your notification bell so you don't miss a video. I catch you guys in my next video. Take care and peace.